Hello and welcome to Asif Umer Science channel, where science becomes super fun and learning at the same time. I am Asif Umer and our today's activity is CaC rocket. In this activity, we are going to learn about chemical reaction and endothermic reaction and Newton's third law. For every reaction, there is equal and opposite reaction. For this, required things are CaC 1000 tablets, empty CaC canister and small amount of water. Half fill the CaC canister with water. Now I will add quarter piece of CaC tablet in the canister, then put the lid on. Turn the canister upside down, shake it well, and then stand back. I am using a different type of canister, a small amount of water, going to put a small piece of CaC tablet, putting the cap on, mix it and then stand back. When we combine CaC tablet with water, so then carbon dioxide gas is produced. As more gas is produced, pressure built up inside the canister send the canister fly.